So my butterfly shrimps will be going. They're going into the oven. Those are my butterfly shrimps. You're watching Princeton Channel Cooking and Discover TV. This board will be to cut up the bacons on it. Once the bacon is done in the oven, yes, I'm gonna bake the bacon so they can come out crispy and nice. And I'm gonna cut them up here. Alright, these are my potatoes. Bacon. Alright, so I'm going to add the bacon into the oven. Alright, okay, potatoes getting tender, and the bacon.